2016, me and my wife thinking of having a business here in the Philippines. So we started to continue our ukay-ukay business, but as a supplier. So we supply here through in a container van. So we deliver 40-foot container van or 20-foot container van of ukay-ukay to our certain customers here in the Philippines. And we have some clients here in Iloilo and other parts of Panay. That time, GT Mall is being constructed. So we inquire at GT Mall office if what kind of business is possible we can open. So fast forward from the opening of GT Mall Iloilo way back in 2018, we rent a booth at second floor to a certain organizer. So after 4 months of having there, me and my wife was given an opportunity to organize the ground floor left wing of the mall that until now we are there and counting. So from there, GF Events Management and Services was born, but not yet baptized. So GF Events, we are almost 6 years into this business. Our goals is to be one of the most well-known names in the industry of event organizing, to produce quality services, example, to accommodate our clients or our tenants, to have their business to grow, to expand our business and put up exhibits to malls in different areas here and especially here in Western Visayas, to promote local products and help micro enterprise and new entrepreneurs grow their business. GF Events is a full-service professional event organizer that specializes in bazaar exhibits. As of now, we have almost 25 partner merchants that are combination of food and non-food products. So in this competitive world, we at GF Events always choose a location which is prime and favorable to our exhibitors. Example of that area is high foot traffic, which equates to more sales. And we also conduct a study first before we close a deal to a certain area offered to us by a mall or certain establishment. So what we are doing is we do head count of passers-by for at least 7 days. So on that slide, as you can see, that is our area in GT Mall, Pabia, Iloilo. That area is being leased to us by Miss Ann Pradas. Miss Ann Pradas before is a sales lady to one of our tenants. But now she is leasing to us 4 booths, 4 na ang booth niya, with different products to sell. So first is the Ann's beauty products, second, Ann's footwear, third, Ann's dry goods, and the fourth is Ann's cell phone accessories. Hopefully, maging BNI member din ito someday. But today, she cannot attend our meeting is because of some circumstances. And on that slide on the left screen is the time we organized an event or exhibit at Iloilo Convention Center. So that's how we prepare our booth. As you can see on the slide, the center. So it's just simple as that. So we at GF Events always welcome micro enterprise or startup businesses to be our partner merchant in our exhibits. So we are looking for food and non-food products. So example of the food products or merchants that we are looking are street foods, pasalubong, fresh juice or coffee, Korean foods, or any food products that can attract mall goers. And for non-food products, example of that are RTW, footwear, fashion and hair accessories, novelty items, toys, and other unique items that can attract mall goers or passers-by. So, if you know someone that I mentioned and they want to showcase their products or services to a wider customers, please refer to us. We are located at Shooty Car Wash and detailing services located at parking area of GT Mall Pavia. That's all for GF Events. Thank you very much.
Wow, so thank you so much, GF Events Management Services, represented by Sir Jeff Boy and Ms. Flora Cao. It's an interesting topic. We are very glad to know that your real purpose is really to help the small and medium enterprises to promote and showcase their products, which is almost 80% of the business demographics here in Iloilo City. We all know that Ilonggos are known to be business oriented even with so little capital. So having this abundance mentality through your event, Sir Jeff Boy, I would like to congratulate you in advance that you are one of the gateway to success of Iloilo entrepreneurs. So now that we know about your business and who you would like to be connected with, we are so ready to give you more referrals. So we will be accommodating 3 questions from our audience about the events that Sir Jeff Boy is having this month. So ako na lang mamangkot. Sir Jeff Boy, do you have any Christmas bazaar? Christmas bazaar?
Yes, ma'am. Our Christmas bazaar for this Christmas season is being on negotiation. So
Where
for
is
the
this,
time
sir?
that hello, ma'am, Madam Press.
Tingin na siya, Sir Jeff.
Hello, Madam Press.
Tingin na siya. Where?
I think this will be in Robinson's Malls. So we don't know if it is in Haro, Robinson's Main, or Robinson's Pavia. So we already joined the bidding. Yes.
Okay, good luck, Sir Jeff Boy. Next question, please.
Engineer, may pamangkot ko. Take example, mga beginner, tapos mag-exhibit sa inyo, kinanglan kita ang business permit.
Actually, for exhibits, we don't require business permits in the first place. Yes.
Ate, okay.
No.
Pero ang
because the mall also don't require. So we are gasunod lang kami sa house rules and regulations sang malls.
So bisan wala kang business permit, kung gusto mo mag-try lang mga isa ka bulan, so pwede kaya butang sa inyo sa inyong lugar.
Yes, sir. Pwede. Yes.
Thank you.
Wala na sa may nagaligod nga DTI.
Sir,
wala man, ma'am.
Good morning. Under ko kay Sir Jerome sa GF Events sa GT Mall, Pavia. So at first, wala kami gin-require sang business permit. But the municipality of Pavia requested us, kay daw nakita nila kung nagadugay ka na, 3 months contract na, Sir Jerome.
Yes.
3 months. So amo lang ang ginapabayaran. That's a minimal of like below 3,000 for 3 months.
Mayo gali kay para at least maka-umpisa ka ba gusto mo testing lang.
Yes sir. So you can pwede mo matest ang products mo if it is okay sa public.
Pag okay sa market.
Ang response sa market, yes.
Thank you, Engineer.
Oh, yes.
Welcome, sir.
Yeah. Last question.
Ako, press.
Okay,
Engineer, question. So, pwede, di ba, regarding food, di paano, they do, sila, extra for the electricity? Amo na.
Wala na, Doc Eva, for the food. Our area that is being rented is already included ang electricity consumption. So free na. Yes.
So okay na. Ang iba niya wala sila ya food, basta amo lang man gyapon parehas lang iya bayad.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Thank you. So pwede pwede mag-barbecue doon sa loob?
Barbecue, it's possible. Yes.
Okay. Thank
And then,
you.
using electric.
Electric.
Yes. That's a good idea.
Oh, reserve na yan ha. I have a US.
Doc Eva.
Di ba, Carla?
Hindi ka namin. Okay. So thank you for those questions. Sir Jepoy, thank you for answering the questions also. And now we have come to the most important part of the meeting where we can exercise the philosophy of giver's gain. So the next feature presenter is Carla Ledesma Perez. Okay, that's next week. And now let's proceed to the next slide, please. Okay, this is the referral partners weekly contribution. So this time we will be announcing our thank your visitors, your referrals given, and your closed business, and testimonials if there is any. Okay, so we will be exercising our philosophy of giver's gain. Let's start with our power team. This is by power team. So let's start with our real estate power team. So I would like to. Oh, wala ako visitor. Okay. I have 4 referrals to Sir C. 1 referral for Kathy for a poultry. Poultry Figueroa, and 2 referrals for Nicole, listings and rental of condos. And thank you, Doc Eva, for the closed business. Thank you.
Hello, yes, I have given referral to Attorney Alfredo Palmares for his real estate services, and also for 1 referral to Doc Kyra. And I would like to thank my visitor, Miss Teofi. Miss Teofi, thank you so much for coming here. We really appreciate your time. Nabalaan kong products ni Ma'am Teofi during sa Ilobex, press Carl, no? So, calling card dyan. Then I called her last Tuesday. So, hopefully may nakita kang opportunity diri
Thank
sa
you for
BNI.
coming.
Miss Nicole.
Hello, I have given 1 referral to Sir GM and 1 referral to Attorney Eden. And then thank you for close business to Sir Zeno worth 5,800. 19,583 to Miss Carla, 3,029 to Doc Caloy, 84,760 to Doc Eva, and 7,000 to Sir Jen.
Wow,
you.
that's a lot, Nicole. Congrats.
Congratulations.
On my part, I would like to thank President Carla Perez thank you for close business. She came to me for a contract of this, which I did man. Never mind about the amount. Importante nga ang contract of this was done perfectly and legally as per our boss.
Yes, thank you so much, Attorney.
Uh,
Some testimonial or review.
oo,
Okay. Thank you, JP.
thank you.
Okay, next na. Next power team is business technology.
Hello. Thank you, Nicole, for the referral. Thank you to Dr. Kyra, Dr. Eva, and Miss Jen for embarking me on a new career as a commercial endorser and to Yoli also. Although I don't remember having been asked, but I vaguely remember. And that's it for now. Thank you.
Okay, so thank you, Business Technology. Our next power team is Health, Wellness, and Beauty.
I have one, thank you for close business from Dr. Kyra Lacano, worth 2,312. Thank you, Doc.
This week I have two referral. I just encoded it. I have one referral to Zeno, one doctor of the doctor for digitalization of clinic, si Dr. Karen Francia, and one referral to Dr. Carlo Ben Losande. I just talked to my relative about the global health access of AXA, which really worked for me, and he's very interested. Also, actually, St. Peregrine has a collaboration with Dr. Kyra. We have already given out more than 60 coupons with 500 discount when they go to their dental clinic. But at this time, it's not a referral, it's a lead because we did not get their contact numbers, but they know, we talk about the Dental Bacano Center. So we will convert that into a referral, Dr. Kyra, para magdamo-damo gid for the dental services.
Wow, congratulations for your collaboration.
Thank you so much, Dr. Eva, for the collaboration. So this week, I have a referral to Toto Nani and to Sir Nan. And thank you for the close business, actually outside close business, to Ma'am Jen. So, sa to iya lang son ang nagpa-treat, now iya na mother. Thank you so much.
Welcome, Doc. So, yeah, I have a referral to Geronimo Pueyo, to Brian Opano. This is a cross chapter, and then to Jean Manuel Ramos. And thank you to Jed. We have a close business, magpagwapo na si boss niya. So for 25,800. Thank
Wow,
you.
napamukid man si boss niya, ha? Congratulations.
Yes. And more to come sa mga sales team nila. Jed, pagwapahan kag pagwapuhon.
Sure, welcome much.
Ayun. So, for me, for this week, would like to thank Sir Dale Mosqueda for my visitor. Thank you for your time. And I have one referral to Sir Toto Manny Magbanwa. Thank you.
Thank you. Ay, GM, ang imuto ano, yung event sa Saturday, please, ano na lang.
Yeah, to those nga are willing to change their lifestyle, to have a healthier lifestyle, you can please visit us sa Amon office. We have an event around 10 a.m. in the morning this coming Saturday. It's for free, no obligation. It's very informative and for sure mabusogid ka mo. Thank you.
Amo na iya. Okay, thank you. Next, our construction.
Good morning. For this week, I would like to thank for the referral of Sir GM. And then I am arranging a referral for Sir Max Soriano. Thank you.
And on to our professional business support attorney.
Hello again. I would like to thank Renan and Jepoy for the close business they gave me. I have one referral also from Totomani. Thank you so much. I cannot disclose the value of the close business, but everything is encoded. Thank you.
Thank you so much, attorney. Next, please. Finance and investment.
Hello. Doc, mauna ko ha. So thank you for my visitor, Dr. Priege. And thank you, Press Carla, for giving me BYD. And halos every month they have a car for coverage, comprehensive. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, next please.
Good morning. Thank you for the
Your
close business with Doc Kyra, and I also give referral to Attorney Eden and Doc Eva.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Attorney.
You muted, Kate?
Jepo, ay, Cathy and Jepoy.
Si Kate nakamute.
Ako na lang una, Ma'am Kat.
Yes, go ahead, please.
Okay. Thank you so much, Ma'am Jen, for the referral, and thank you, Attorney Eden, for accommodating the referral to a close business. And thank you so much sa kay Sir Jed for his time, for mentoring me to do my presentation. And also, I'd like to thank my visitors, Ma'am Stella, Ma'am Joy, which is joining us even though sa signal niya because currently she is traveling from Iloilo to Bacolod. And also to my wife, Ma'am Flora, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Sir Jepoy.
Si Kate, I think we go back to Kate.
Cathy, is it go?
No, yeah, nakamute siya kanina. Kate, can you unmute?
Okay, so let's proceed. So may I call on our Vice President, Attorney Eden Pusag, to do the referral reality.
Okay, so for the for our quality referral reality check, actually, the way I see it, parang I need report na talaga eh. Especially with Nicole. Ang dami niyang close business. Thank you so much for that. So keep on doing that kasi I don't need to check kasi nakita ko naman and she keeps on coming back also in the office. So I can see the documentations and all. So it's technically checked already. And then I'd like to comment lang yung health and wellness power team. Thank you for doing that. The collaboration is actually effective. So we can give referrals, and of course you can give referrals outside of our chapters. And you can do the collaboration as well for maximizing the potential and opportunities for all your business. So thank you so much, guys, for that, and keep on doing so we can have more TYFCBs. Thank you. Congratulations. And then we proceed with our performance level. This is our performance and the evidence of what we are doing actually every week. So for this week, we already have 1,010 one-to-ones. And of course, for the CEU, we already have 1,482. And meaning we are all learners kasi ang daming tumataas yung CEUs natin. And for the visitors, we are close to, now we are 200 and not included pa yung mga visitors natin today. So keep on inviting visitors because that will widen our opportunity to network to other business owners and to help them also to showcase their business. And for the referrals given, we have 716 referrals given. This is actually included not only within the chapter but also outside of the chapters. And of course, for the TYFCBs, to date we have 39,263,425 pesos already. Congratulations. And of course, with that, our seat value is already, next slide, please. Yes, 1,090,650 pesos and 38 centavos. Okay, thank you so much, guys, and congratulations. Keep giving. Okay. And also for our superstars, superstars. Congratulations, Miss Jennifer Chua, and of course, our president, Carla Perez, and myself, and together with Dr. Eva Catedral and Catherine Servania. Congratulations. I'm looking forward to have more of this kasi with now I think marami na tayong magiging green. So looking forward to that. Congratulations. Okay, press.
Okay, so thank you so much, VP Attorney Pusag. And now let's end our meeting with the quote of the day. So let's turn on our audio and let's resonate with this quote in our daily activity. So okay, everybody, always give
Give without remembering.
Remembering and always receive without
Forgetting.
Thank you, Brian Tracy. Okay. So that
members,
ends
please
our
note, ano,
So visitors,
members.